Hi Web Skills family. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a Grunge photo with Canva. Get started. Create a new design with any format that you need. Go to Elements. Make search for Grunge. Choose Graphics. And search for your preferred photo. Like this one or this one also. You can take this one also. Yeah, this one looks better. Resize it. She looks good. Go to apps and make search for frame maker. Go to convert this into frame and select this one before and check transparent background and export. Yes, delete all Grunge image and resize the frame. I will duplicate the page to take main image. Go to elements or upload. If you uploaded the image that you want to make it, choose upload. For me, I choose just elements, and I use before some images. I love them. I will take this one. It looks good. And this one. This sunset also. And this one. And I will add another one. Go to upload. Select this image. This one good. Download your page now. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next video.